Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get the look that I'm wearing right now. As you can tell, today your girl is in a very colorful mood. I wanted to do a sunset smoky eye, and I'm pretty sure that some of you guys will say that this look is very similar to the Instagram logo, and I agree with you. It looks super duper inspired by the Instagram logo, but no, this is a sunset smoky eye. Okay. Also, Makeup Geek recently came up with their new power pigments, so I wanted to give them a try today. As always, all of the products that I have on my face will be down in the description box. So without losing any time, let's go ahead and get started. You guys know how excited I'm getting every time that I'm about to do some kind of a colorful eye look on my eyes, like every single time. I feel like when I have my eyelids painted in different colors, that's actually boosting my mood and I feel happier. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Geek Power Pigments. These are new, they're fresh, they look beautiful, so I'm excited to try them out. I want to do some kind of a sunset smoky eye today. I had this idea for a very long time in my mind, and I think that with the help of these little guys here, I'm actually going to be able to do something like that. I think that I have here all of the colors that I'm gonna need for a sunset smoky eye. So let's not lose any more time. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light. I'm applying that all over my eyelid, then I'm setting it with some face powder, and this is my base for the shadows. I'll start off with the orange shade here. Let me see how it's called. This is called Dynamic. I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush and I'm gonna place that in my crease. This is going to be my first transition color. Next, I'm taking the pink shade. I'm switching to a smaller brush, something for a little bit more detailed work. And I'm gonna place this again in my crease, but I'm gonna try not to cover the orange color. So I'm keeping that pink color a little bit lower in the crease. Hey, I like how easily these two colors blended with each other. And even though the colors are very pigmented, they're also very easy to blend. This is basically the dream of every eyeshadow blender. Why we don't call the makeup artists eyeshadow blenders? That's so much cooler. Like, what do you do for a living? I'm an eyeshadow blender. Anyways, moving on. Now I'm gonna take some of the deep purple color here and I'm gonna add that in the inner and in the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm gonna pick the red shade. Oh la la. And I'm gonna add that right next to the purple shade. Kind of blending it with it. I'm slowly building up the colors towards the center of my eyelid. I'm gonna add in the center the yellow color. I'm so excited for that part, but now we have to add some orange. So I'm gonna take some orange and I'm adding it next to the red, leaving a gap in the center of my eyes. I'm gonna bring back some of that purple color because I kinda covered it up with the red. And now it's time for the yellow. Using a flat brush, I'm gonna press it in the center of my eyelids. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that all of the colors on the eyelids are very nicely blended into each other. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the purple, of the red, of the orange, and also some yellow, and just diffuse any harsh lines and make everything look very soft and blended and beautiful. I can't remember the last time that I did an all matte eye look. When you're using only matte eyeshadows, you really want to make sure that everything is perfectly blended, especially if you're working with colorful shades like we did today. And I think that Makeup Geek did an amazing job with these because they're really easy to blend. In my opinion, the best way to use those is you want to take them on a stiff brush. Place the color where you want it on your eyelid and then blend it out. If you need some more intensity, add one more layer, blend out again. I think that when you're pressing those on the skin, you can also use your finger if you want, of course. When you press them on the skin, you're getting the maximum amount of saturation, pigmentation, vibrancy, all of those good stuff. They're actually really easy to work with, but one thing that I noticed is that the yellow shade is not that blinding, super intense yellow shade. It's more of like a muted yellow color. But because it's more muted, you can also use it in more daytime, more everyday kind of looks for just a very soft touch of color, which is great. It really depends how you want to use the eyeshadow. I think that this look is going to be perfect on somebody with blue eyes, because the blue in the eyes can be the sea and then the sunset on the eyelid. Oh my god, this is going to be so pretty. If you have blue eyes and you decide to recreate this look, send me photos. I want to see them.
Much later.
I just thought of what I said. And I want to add that even if you have brown, green, whatever eye color you have, feel free to send me your photos if you decide to recreate this look. I love seeing your recreations, guys. You guys are always so kind and sweet, and it makes me happy to know that I inspire you. Now, moving on to the eyeliner, I'm gonna use my Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77. The black liner will add a very nice contrast to the eye look. Adding also a pair of falsies. Okay, I look like a ghost with some bomb eye makeup. My face looks so flat, so let's go ahead now and do some contouring, some blushing, some bronzing, some concealing. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove any kind of foundation that I have under my eyes. I already have my foundation on, and now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm gonna use it under my eyes. Did you hear that? I think that a thunderstorm is on its way. I don't know why, but it's been raining here almost every single day. Setting it in place with some face powder. For contour, I'll use this shade here by Makeup Forever. For bronzer, Makeup Geek Sunkissed. And also some blush. Yep, it started raining. Now, I love the rain. It's really relaxing. It's so nice, but it's summer, and the humidity that we get here after the rain is like, oh no, it makes me feel tired. It makes me feel like I'm sick. It melts off my makeup. It's so annoying. Can we get rain without any humidity? I'm gonna be so happy if we can. Anyways, moving on to the highlighter. This one is by Pretty Vulgar in the shade 41. I'm gonna use that to highlight my face. Now, on the lower lashes, I want to do exactly what I did on my eyelid area. So, purple, red, orange, yellow. And then again, orange, red, purple. So, starting off with the purple. In the outer corner, right here. And in the inner. Okay, moving on to the red. Orange and yellow. Bringing some colors under the lower lashes definitely makes the look a lot more intense, but that's what I want. I'm also gonna coat my lower lashes with some mascara. And I don't know if I want to tightline my waterline. I don't know. I don't want to talk right now because it's dangerous. I'm gonna also tightline my eyes. Okay, and this is our finished eye look. Now all we have left is lipstick, and I'll go with this one here by Makeup Geek called Quick Step. I wanted to go with something more cool toned, something more neutral, because the eyes are like color. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you like it. I like that I kept everything matte on the eyes. It's been a while since I did that, and I'm so happy that I managed to do it today. I always like adding some shimmers to the eyes because, you know, shimmers are beautiful, but also when everything is matte, it just looks a little bit more clean. Now, obviously, this look is very dramatic, it's very intense, but I had so much fun creating it. Let me know your thoughts on the look. I want to know what you think about it, and as always, all of the products that I have on my face right now will be listed down in the description box, as well as the shades and every detail that you need to know. I always make sure that my description box is like super detailed, everything listed. I'm always taking care of the description box. Also, if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!